Hi dear children, welcome to today's class. Today we are going to continue exercise 6.5, fourth question. Prove that the following functions do not have maxima or minima. Okay, the first function is f of x is equal to e raised to x, and we know that the derivative of that e raised to x is e raised to x itself. And actually this f dash of x is equal to 0. If f dash of x is equal to 0, what we will get? F dash of x is equal to 0 implies e raised to x is equal to 0. We will get e raised to x is equal to 0. But the exponential function can never assume 0 for any value of x. Exponential function never assumes 0 for any value of x. Therefore, there does not exist any x belongs to a real number set such that this f dash of x is equal to 0. Hence, function f does not have maxima or minima. Now, the second one is g of x is equal to log x, and thus g dash of x is equal to the derivative of log x is 1 by x, and here if g dash of x is equal to 0, this implies 1 by x is equal to 0. G dash of x is equal to 0 implies 1 by x is equal to 0. Since this log x is defined for positive numbers only, okay, this log x is defined for only the positive numbers, and we cannot find a value of x such that 1 by x is equal to 0. We cannot find a value of x such that 1 by x is equal to 0. Therefore, for that function g of x is equal to log x does not have maxima or minima. Now the third one is that is a polynomial. H of x is equal to x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Then h dash of x is equal to 3x square plus 2x plus 1 we will get. This is a quadratic equation, and we need to find out the value of x which satisfies that quadratic equation. Okay, so first we will find out the value of b square minus 4ac, and that b square minus 4ac we will cut it as minus 8, and it is less than 0. That means if this b square minus 4ac is less than 0, we can't find any real root. Okay, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then we can't find any real root. That means we can't find any real value of x such that we can't find any real value of x such that this h dash of x is equal to 0. Therefore, we can conclude that for this function h of x there is no maxima or minima. Okay, now I am going to do the fifth question. Find the absolute maximum value and the absolute minimum value of the following functions in the given intervals. Find the absolute maximum value and absolute minimum value of the following functions in the given interval. Okay, absolute maximum, absolute minimum, we need to find on those questions. The first one is f of x is equal to x cube, comma x belongs to minus 2, comma 2, comma x belongs to minus 2, comma 2. So the f dash of x is equal to 2x square we will get, and equal to f dash of x into 0. That implies 2x square is equal to 0, implies x square is equal to 0, and the value of x which satisfies this x square is equal to 0, that is 0. Okay, now working rule to find absolute maxima and absolute minima, that is, first we will find out the critical points that we got. Now we need to take the endpoints of our intervals, that is x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to 2. After that, we need to find out the value of our function f at these values. F of 0 we need to find, f of minus 2 we need to find, and f of 2 we need to find. F of 0, f of minus 2 and f of 2 we need to find. And this f of 0, that is 0 cube is equal to 0. F of minus 2, that is minus 2 all cube is equal to minus 8. And f of 2, that is 2 cube is equal to 8. Okay, from this it is clear that the absolute maximum value is, 8, and it is at x is equal to 2. And the absolute minimum value is minus 8 at x is equal to minus 2. Okay, now the second sub question in this. Second one is f of x is equal to sin x plus cos x, comma x belongs to 0 pi, sin x plus cos x, comma x belongs to 0 pi. So we need to find the critical point first. So f dash of x is equal to cos x minus sin x, and thus f dash of x is equal to 0 implies cos x minus sin x is equal to 0, and that implies cos x is equal to sin x, and it implies x is equal to pi by 4. Okay, and it belongs to the interval 0 pi by 0 pi, and it belongs to the interval 0 pi. And we got the critical point. Now we need to consider the endpoints of interval, that is x is equal to 0 and x is equal to pi. Now we need to find out the value of a function f at x is equal to pi by 4, x is equal to 0 and x is equal to pi. We need to find out the values f of pi by 4, f of 0 and f of pi. Okay, thus f of pi by 4 is sin pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4, and that is equal to 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, that we will get it as root 2. And f of 0 is sin 0 plus cos 0, and that is 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. And f of pi, that is sin pi plus cos pi, and it is equal to sin pi is 0 and cos pi is minus 1 and minus 1. What is the maximum value in that? That is, the maximum value is root 2. So the absolute maximum value is root 2 at x is equal to pi by 4, and the absolute minimum value is minus 1 at x is equal to pi. Third one. Third sub question, f of x is equal to 4x minus 1 by 2 x square. 4x minus 1 by 2 x square, comma x belongs to closed interval minus 2 comma 9 by 2. So thus f dash of x is equal to, the derivative of 4x is 4 and 1 by 2 into the derivative of x square is 2x. That is 4 minus x we will have. 4 minus x we will get. And thus f dash of x is equal to 0 implies we will get the value of x, that is x is equal to 4. Now we need to consider the endpoints also, that is x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to 9 by 2. Okay. Now f of 4 is equal to 4 into 4 minus 1 by 2 into 4 square, that is 16 minus 8 is equal to 8, and f of minus 2 is equal to 4 into minus 2 minus 1 by 2 into minus 2 all square is equal to minus 8 minus 2, and that is equal to minus 10. Now f of 9 by 2, that is equal to 4 into 9 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into 9 by 2 all square. This is equal to 18 minus 81 by 8. 18 minus 81 by 8 is equal to 63 by 8. Okay, now just look at that. What is our maximum value? That is, the maximum value is 8. Okay, this is the maximum value. The 63 by 8 you will get 7.875. So the maximum value is 8 and it is at x is equal to 4. So the absolute maximum value is 8 at x is equal to 4, and absolute minimum value is minus 10 at x is equal to minus 2. Now I am going to do the sixth question. In sixth question, find the maximum profit that a company can make if the profit function is given by. We need to find the maximum profit. Okay, if intervals is given and if you want to find out the maximum and minimum value, that case you need to find the absolute maximum and absolute minimum. Or simply if you want to find out the maximum and the minimum value, that means we need to find out the local maximum and local minimum. So the sixth question, p of x is equal to 41 minus 72x minus 18x square. 41 minus 72x minus 18x square. Then this p dash of x is equal to 41, derivative is 0, and minus 72 minus 36x we will get. P double dash of x is equal to what we will get, minus 36 we will get. Now equate this p dash of x is equal to 0. That implies minus 72 minus 36 is equal to 0. And thus implies minus 36 we can take it outside, and this is 2 plus x is equal to 0, and it implies 2 plus x is equal to 0 implies x is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2, that is our critical point. Now we need to check the sign of our p double dash at x is equal to minus 2. Anyway, that is a constant minus 36 and it is less than 0. Since this p double dash is less than 0, then we can conclude that this x is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2, that is a point of local maxima. Point of local maxima. And now we need to find out that maximum value, that is p of minus 2. P of minus 2, that is 41 minus 72 into minus 2 minus 18 into minus 2 all square, and that value you will get it as 113. Okay, thus p of minus 2 is 113, that is the maximum profit is 113. Now question number 7. Question number 7. Find both the maximum value and the minimum value of 3x raised to 4 minus 8x cube plus 12x square minus 48x plus 25 on the interval 0, 3. On the interval 0, 3. Let it be f of x. F of x is equal to 3x raised to 4 minus 8x cube plus 12x square minus 48x plus 25. Then f dash of x is equal to, that we will get it as 12x cube minus 24x square plus 24x minus 48. F dash of x we will get it as 12x cube minus 24x square plus 24x minus 48. 12 is common, just take it outside, then that is become x cube minus 2x square plus 2x minus 4. And this is equal to 12 into, from these two terms we can take x square outside, then that is become x minus 2, plus just take 2 outside from these two terms, that is 2 into x minus 2. Now just look at that, x minus 2 is common, so x minus 2 into x square plus 2, thus we will get. Now the f dash of x, the interval is given, so we need to find out the absolute maximum and absolute minimum. So this f dash of x is equal to 0 implies 12 into x minus 2 into x square plus 2 is equal to 0, and thus implies, anyway 12 cannot be equal to 0, so x minus 2 is equal to 0 or x square plus 2 is equal to 0. Thus implies x is equal to 2, but this x square is equal to minus 2 we will get, and this implies x is equal to square root of minus 2 we will have. Square root of minus 2. We are considering the real numbers. So the square root of minus 2, that is not a real number, that is a complex number. So we don't want to consider this case. So the only critical point is x is equal to 2. So the only critical point is x is equal to 2. Now we are going to find out the value of f of x at x is equal to 2 and the end points x is equal to 0, x is equal to 3. So f of 2 is equal to 2 raised to 4 minus 8 into 2 cube plus 12 into 2 square minus 48 into 2 plus 25, and that we will get it as minus 39. And this f of 0 is equal to 0 minus 0 plus 0 minus 0 plus 25, and it is equal to 25. Now f of 3 is equal to 3 into 3 raised to 4, 3 into 3 raised to 4 minus 8 into 3 cube plus 12 into 3 square minus 48 into 3 plus 25. and this is equal to 16. So what is our maximum value? The maximum, absolute maximum is 25 at x is equal to 0, and this absolute minimum is minus 39 at x is equal to 2.